How can we go to the party if we don't have an address?
Who says I don't have an address?
Phone.
Got it.
Alex Ryder. We are British secret intelligence. We want you to be an agent.
And why me?
You're a teenager. And isn't that exactly what we need?
You're going to Point Blank. It's a school for troubled teenagers.
So what's the plan?
You need to take a look around and to report back any unusual behaviour.
This is Alex.
Say hello to Alex.
Hello to Alex.
Something's not right.
These people aren't your friends. Stop lying to us. I can do this.
Tell me who you really are.